Hi everyone, it's John and welcome to Jam Life.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Jam Life. Just thought I'd shoot a quick video because something arrived today I'm pretty excited about. It doesn't take me much to get excited, but here it is anyway. It's a big old case, but what it actually is the carry case for my Ronin S. And it's by PGY Tech, and the quality, I have to say, is fantastic. Like, this is completely waterproof. The latches have the safety release, and there's 4 of them all the way around. Usually in a case like this, you kind of only get 2 latches at the front. You've got the pressure release at the front here, underneath the handle. Yeah, so you can take it on an aircraft. As you can see, I've already put some stickers on it. I like it so much. And then I'm taking a look inside. Let's get these latches open first. So yeah, having a look inside, it basically contains everything you need to use the Ronin. I like particularly shooting time lapses, and this is just like perfect. So over here you got the power supply for charging, the mini tripod that goes on the bottom, the Ronin itself. You've got the camera plate, the cable down here, the camera cable to connect the camera to the Ronin, the accessory kit in here, space for that. And then they've got this area for your camera, which you can cut out the foam, so it fits in really nicely and is very secure. It's my A7iii there. In this section at the back, you can put a tripod, a monopod should I say. I've just put the small rig handle kit in the back there, and then here even like there's a spot for your accessories. So I've just got like a small HD screen, battery, there's a little light down there as well. So yeah, like everything fits in here really nicely, really good quality case. The foam inside is really sturdy and nice. Like, yeah, it's an awesome piece of tech. So full disclosure guys, PGY Tech did not pay me for this video. They didn't send me the case. I purchased it myself. But I gotta say, big shout out to them. It really is some really good quality equipment, and it's really going to protect my gear very well. I have actually bought a fair bit more of their gear for my Osmo Pocket, which I'm going to show you guys really soon. But for now, see you guys later. It's Star Wars Day tomorrow, so may the 4th be with you, and we'll see you real soon. This is Jam Life Tech Talk signing out. Good night guys. See ya. Hey everyone, if you really enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah.
You gotta be